Alright, so the very first thing, as you can see, I am taking a center section at the top and basically establishing the new length for the top of the haircut. My model wants to keep the top a little bit on the longer side so he can brush it back, but we do need to take it down because when it gets too long, it gets very heavy and wants to lay flat. And so long, heavy hair basically tends to lay flat, so we've got to go through and layer up the top so we can make it nice and light. So, as you can see, I'm taking each section on the right side, over directing it to the previous section so that I can establish those layers on the right side. Now I'm going to do the exact same thing on the left side, taking a section on the left side of the head, over directing it to that very first section, which was the guide, so I know how short to cut the current section. I'm basically going to finish cutting the top. Once we've got that done, we will then go ahead and cut the sides and back. Alright, so now it is time to take down the sides and back. As you can see, I've got the clippers in my hand. I've got a guard on it. I'm not taking it super short. This is not the shortest guard I have. It's the second shortest guard. And I'm going to go through and basically just remove a lot of the bulk on the lower half of the sides and back. I'm just going to go working my way around the head, starting on the right side, flowing to the back of the right side, then to the center back, all the way to the left side. And once we've completed removing the bulk, then we'll go ahead and clean up and really sharpen up, fade out that outline. Alright, so now you can see I've got the trimmers in my hand. I no longer have the clippers in my hand. The trimmers take the hair a little bit shorter. Trimmers are technically what you use to clean up neck hair, to clean up the sideburn. And what I'm doing right here is cleaning up the neck hair, basically really taking in that neck hair, that hairline nice and bald. Once I've completed taking the hairline nice and bald, cleaning up the neck hair, I'll get the trimmers again, I'll get the clippers again, and we will go ahead and fade out that line that I'm cutting right there. But again, basically what I want to do is I want to make sure that the neck hair is all clean and the outline is all clean, which is again is why I have my trimmers in my hand. In a minute, I'll have the clippers back in my hand, I'll have the guard removed, and we'll go through and remove that little line that's being established right there as we go around cleaning up the hairline. Alright, so you can see I've got the clippers back in my hand and I don't have a guard, and what I'm doing is I'm going through and I'm just cleaning up the hairline, cleaning up the outline as far as blending it. So when we used the trimmers, it established a little bit of a line, right, from bald to the hair. Basically, the trimmers basically made the neck bald, which is what we wanted. We wanted a bald neck. We wanted to clean up the neck. So now what I need to do, though, is remove that line that the trimmers created. So you can see I don't have a guard on these clippers, and I'm just going through and scooping out right there. Boom, scooping it out, scooping out that line to fade it in nice and clean. So I'm going to work my way all around the hairline, removing that hard line and cleaning up the hairline. Alright, so we've come to the end of the haircut. I have put some pomade into the hair to dress it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Questions or comments, don't forget to put them down in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. And lastly, I want to thank you guys so very much again for watching.